I believe that antibodies will always be critical and necessary in the future because immunity and antibodies are essential for us, a living being. As we chose antibody for our business, I feel that it is our eternal theme to express it in other words. With that kept in mind, the end will never come in our research.
Since the company was established in 1982, we have always desired and striven for developing highly specific antibodies. With that desire, we believe that we can fulfill unmet medical needs through our work focusing on highly specific antibodies. Over decades, we have accumulated a very strong know-how of antibody development. This know-how, plus a passion for sharpening specificity, provides endless possibilities in various fields. These highly specific antibodies may provide a path towards a solution if you are experiencing difficulties in your research.
As we have many years' experience through our research and development, we welcome the opportunity to directly discuss and communicate with our customers, especially researchers working at contract research organizations, CRO, who are curious or have a hunch about an idea. We may be able to find better solutions for the international society through our valuable discussion and proactive communications.
For our bright future and people's happiness. Moving forward with us. IBL, Japan.